Okay, I'm gonna video myself doing this because I miss my baby so much. But I'm videoing myself as I fry 4 of the 7 croquettes that Melissa made for me the last time before she left. And she froze a bag of them for me to eat later. Okay, I don't know, I can't see. But okay. So I don't know what I'm doing. I never watched her cook them. I don't know what the ingredients are. I just know I love them very, very much. And this is 4 of the last batch I'll ever get from my baby doll. I'm hungry right now, so I decided since today marks the 2nd month since the last time I talked to my baby. The night that she went out, the night before she passed away, I decided to eat some of these. She was such a good cook. And these are my favorite. I am so such a bad videographer. Okay, so hopefully I'm videoing it. I didn't want to burn them, so I'm trying to cook them slow. The house would smell like beautiful salmon croquettes, and my mouth would be watering. Oh, Daddy. Nope. I get Easter candy after it goes on sale. I didn't get any yet. Y'all, I went by myself. But I didn't feel like stopping. I mean, I did stop. I went and looked at a barbecue grill. It was $99, and I didn't feel like picking it up by myself, so. You touched that handle without a handle. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what that is other than the thing that we got.
I have to look it up.
Oh, I guess I'm finna this video smooth. This one didn't flip all the way, but I'm just gonna stop. Okay.